Hello, today we are going to learn how to convert Microsoft Word and Excel to PDF files. Let me remind you, this is only for the beginner, those who are new to using Microsoft Word and Excel. First, open Microsoft Word and click on File, then Save As, then go to Browse and click on Desktop where you can save your PDF file. Then choose PDF, then name your project file name, then say Our PDF is ready. You can do a similar process on Microsoft Excel. However, there is one small step you need to know. You should customize the PDF size. If you won't be able to get the proper size of the PDF. First, go to a new file and explore. First, go to your file and click on Page Break Preview, where you can see on the right side or the bottom of the corner. Then customize your paper size and go to layout, where you can see minimize and maximize your PDF. Then go to your set file and go to Save As and click on the Get Started button. Then click on Select and name your file name. Your file is ready.